Hello. Today we start with electrical capacitance. Electrical capacitance is the measure of the ability of a conductor to store charge on it. Charge supplied to a conductor is directly proportional to its potential. That is, Q upon V is equal to constant. As Q upon V is equal to constant, it means that with the increase in the charge, potential increases and this value is constant, which is known as capacitance. With the charge decreases, the potential decreases, but this value is constant. C can be written as Q upon V. If V is 1 volt, then C is equal to the Q. So capacitance of the conductor is defined as the charge required to raise the potential through 1 unit. Symbol of the capacitance, the unit of the capacitance is farad, and capacitance is said to be of 1 farad when 1 coulomb of charge raises the potential of the conductor by 1 volt. The practical units used for capacitance are microfarad, nanofarad, picofarad, as farad is a large unit. On the basis of the shapes, the materials used, on the basis of the strength, the capacitors are put into different categories. Let us discuss them one by one. On the basis of the shape, the capacitors are parallel plate capacitor. It is the diagram of the parallel plate capacitor. These two plates are the plates which are parallel to one another, and the plate which is connected with the positive terminal of the battery attains positive charge, which connects with the negative terminal of the battery acquires the negative charge. This is a cut section of the spherical capacitor. R1 is the radius of the smaller sphere and R2 is the radius of the larger sphere. And these two spheres are separated by a medium which is called dielectric medium. This is a diagram of a cylindrical capacitor, and it is the top view of the cylindrical capacitor, or we can say the front view of this spherical capacitor. Then it is a isolated spherical capacitor, or it is a conductor whose second plate is assumed to be at infinity. On the basis of the strength, the capacitors are fixed capacitor and variable capacitor. The capacitor whose value is constant is called fixed capacitor, and the capacitor whose value is variable is called variable capacitor. Capacitance of the variable capacitor can be changed by changing the effective area of the plate or the distance between the two plates. Variable capacitors are used in the radio circuits to tune the stations. On the basis of the material inside the capacitor, capacitors are electrolytic capacitor, mica capacitor, paper capacitors. If the medium is electrolytic in between the plate, then it is an electrolytic capacitor. If we are using the mica in between the plates or the paper, then they are called a mica capacitor or the paper capacitor. If there is no medium in between the plates, then it is called air capacitor. An important point to note is that capacitor was previously known as condenser. Since it does not condense anything, so it is a misnomer. Remember one important point, that capacitance is a property, whereas capacitor is a device which is used to store the charge. Uses of capacitor. Capacitor is used to eliminate sparking in electrical circuits. The capacitors are used in radio circuits for tuning purpose. The ignition system of every automobile engine contain capacitor. Capacitance of an isolated spherical conductor. It means that its second plate is at infinity. Let it is a spherical capacitor of radius r having a charge q, which is supposed to be concentrated at its center. Potential at any point on the surface is given as q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r, which you have seen in previous lectures. But relation between the charge and potential is C equals to Q upon V. Put the value of V equals to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. It gives the capacitance formula, that is C equals to 4 pi epsilon naught R, where R is the radius of the spherical conductor. Capacitance of the spherical conductor is directly proportional to R. Larger the radius, more will be the capacitance. It is true for all solids and hollow spheres. If a sphere is in some medium other than air, then the formula of the capacitance is 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r into radius. Knowing the radius, we can find out the value of capacitance of any spherical body. So it is a time to find out the capacitance of the earth. As the radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter, put the value in this formula, and value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to the power 9. So putting the values here, radius of earth 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 upon 9 into 10 to the power 9. It gives the capacitance of the earth, which is equal to 711 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad, which is equal to the 711 microfarad. Thank you. And